it's Lynette with Charmed Grammy Crochet, and today is Tuesday, so it is hashtag Bodapalooza, hashtag Bodhatapalooza 2023. I'm pretty sure that's what it means. I'm pretty sure that's the hashtag for the day. And this is the brainchild of Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and several people I think have joined in to make a bag-o-day hat that Laura picks out the previous week. I think this is week number 5, and I think this is my 3rd hat. I think it is. I didn't commit to doing one every single week because some weeks I don't have time. But I will do them as I can. Now, this hat was a pretty fast make, and I really like it. Look at the stitches. I did not use the same yarn that Crystal did, but I really like. You can see the stitch really good in the green row. It's real pretty. It's a real pretty stitch, and it doesn't fit me. It's too big. But I didn't make it for me. I made it for my husband, and it fits him perfectly. He doesn't have to fold it up or anything. Usually I end up, or he's doing this with the hats that I make him. He's got a round head, so this is supposed to be, she says, if you make it with a 4-weight yarn or a thin 5 and her hook size, it should fit a 21 or 21.5 inch around head. My husband's head is a little bigger than that. This is a thicker yarn, just a little. It's a thin 5. I would say it's a thin 5. And I'll show you the yarn in just a minute. But I went up a half a hook. I went to, instead of a 6, I used a 6.5 inch hook, and it's not tight on him. It's not loose. It fits him perfect. So I totally love the pattern because it fits him perfect. I didn't do as many rounds up as she did. If I did any more rounds, he'd have to fold it because it'd be in his eyes. So if you hear life noises, Roy's cooking me breakfast. I'm doing this real fast before I go to work. I used this yarn, Fantasy. It's 100% acrylic from Hobie. Love this yarn. It is 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, 150 meters, 164 yards. It says to use a 6mm, but I used a 6.5. And it's a 5-weight. But like I said, I think it's a kind of thinner 5-weight. So soft, so nice to work with. I really did enjoy working with this yarn. It is not a one skein wonder because I did not use up enough of the yarn. I could put a pom-pom on top, and then it would be a one skein wonder. But Roy would not appreciate a pom-pom, I don't think. So no pom-pom. And maybe I could make a smaller hat, like a baby size hat. Or I can throw it in my scraps. At this point, it's not a one skein wonder because I did not finish it. So that's okay. I only get the one hashtag. I'm pretty sure. Just the hat, the Bodhatapalooza 23. That's all I have. I probably will do a tile of the week video on Thursday for my granddaughter's bag. I know it's not a tile out of the book. I'm still counting it. Because it's made out of squares, and that's what the tiles are, right? Okay, it's my tile of the week. I'm almost done, and so not with the lining, but with the rest of it. So hopefully I'll have that done by then, and I will be able to show it to you on Thursday. We'll see. I'm taking it to work. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for joining me in the dining room. I have to run. It's working a little bit. See you later. Bye.